By the year 2020, 500 billion devices will be connected. What is connectivity? What does connectivity mean? Connectivity has revolutionized our world. By connecting with things that matter, we have overcome our limits. Connectivity is our best tool for allowing us to reach new levels of independence. And now, a step in connectivity is opening up new possibilities for us to break free from our computers, tablets, and smartphones. To experience seamlessly smart living everywhere through what we use, wear, drive, and work with every hour of every day. Now the things that we care for begin to care for us, communicating with us, understanding our needs, giving us more time for what really matters. At Aramco, connectivity is in our DNA, and we see it evolving to make life easier, safer, healthier, and more productive every day. This, we believe, is the true significance of the Internet of Things. We work with creators, developers, enterprises, and users to connect with our expanding network of I/O thinkers, to transform industries and enhance lives through data solutions, to learn from our daily activities, to make better decisions at every turning point, to connect with our real selves, and overcome, once again, our limits. The drive to discover the next frontier or to solve the next great problem lies at the heart of our determination to succeed. Saudi Aramco, transforming lives, enhancing communities, advancing human progress, sustaining our planet. We are explorers at heart. At Aramco, connectivity is in our DNA. Saudi Aramco. Let us connect you with your world.